Hi guys, should I show you how to fix your Google business profile not getting verified problem. So this problem, if it occurs if your business profile is not getting verified. So if you have verified by phone, then the next thing what you can do is verify it by shooting a video. If that's also not getting verified, what you can do is follow these steps. So first setting, go to Google and search for Google business profile one day. Okay, once you're here, you'll go to this first link, that's Google Business Profile Help. Now, what you will do is verify your business or request. This verify your business on Google. So once you're here, what you can do is go down and click on Contact Us. Once you are here, you have to tell all the specified things like the what you need help. So we apply verification not going on. So I've already done this, and after that you have to go resources and contact options. So if I choose this and next, I have to go through some steps like choose the best description of the issue, fixed version under review, can't verify, no way to verify is awkward, can't upload, fix verification error. So what you have to do is you have to click on fix verification error or fix verification under review. Once you do this, click on next step. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on next step again, and once you're here, you have to update your business name info and all that stuff, and after that you do that stuff, then your profile will be again verified. So and your all the update and stuff will come back to you on your email if it's verified. If it doesn't come back, what you can do is again create a new profile, Google profile from another email, and try using that. So that's the two things that you can do. And yeah, this was the video how to get my Google this profile verified. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.